is Zelda. Zelda is a 1-year-old Doberman that is joining us for our 2-week boarding train program. Zelda is coming to us because her owner just adopted her. She's been with them for about a week, and she does not know her obedience commands. She is a rescue, so she is kind of been neglected a little bit. So we're going to teach her her obedience commands, but let's see what she knows today. Zelda, come. Zelda, sit. Yes, you do know sit. Good girl. Down. Down. Place. Place. Heel. Heel. Zelda, come. Come. Good girl. Good girl. So Zelda does know a couple things here. So obviously she's not really reliable, but we're going to work on that. We're going to teach her the rest of her obedience commands and help her to be a better girl, better dog. So I can't wait to show you her transformation after 2 weeks.